beloved students, we will start our English lesson, and then we are going to study about grammar, verb infinitive, and verb ing. Okay, please check it out your book, page 11, and then later if Miss Martha explain about this grammar, Miss Martha hope you will understand. If you don't understand, please you can ask me, and then you can ask about this grammar by WA or video call. Okay, let's restart. Verb infinitive. Okay, let's check your PPT or PowerPoint. Verb infinitive. What is verb infinitive? Actually, we use infinitive form of a verb is the verb in its basic form. For example, if you consult your dictionary, you can see the verb in the dictionary by using infinitive, right? Actually, infinitive form of a verb is usually preceded in your dictionary by using to. For example, to run, to dance. This is a basic verb actually. To dance, to run, to sing, to cook, to jump, like that, right? And then infinitive we can use in preposition to, right? To, but to in preposition is different from verb. If verb, we use it for do something or action. We use verb infinitive after this verb: hope, want, would like, would like. For example, let's see our. Okay, Miss Martha has given the list of verb that followed by infinitive. The verb that followed by infinitive. But in this lesson, in this session, we just study only three verbs that followed by infinitive. The first is hope, and then want and would like. You can see your book page 11 because in your book it only give three verbs in the grammar. Verb infinitive. Okay. For example, let's check the examples that Miss Martha has given. Example number 1. I hope to see you next week. I hope to see you next week. Hope is a verb, right? Hope is a verb. Hope plus to infinitive. To infinitive. To see. I hope to see. So hope is a verb plus to infinitive. Hope plus to see. To see is infinitive. So hope plus infinitive. Hope become verb. To see become to infinitive. Okay. And then number 2. He claimed to be an expert. He claimed to be an expert. Claim become verb plus to infinitive that Miss Martha has told you. To infinitive, actually we use to, right? To infinitive. So he claimed to be an expert. To an expert. So claim become verb, and then to be an expert. Why use to be, miss? Because expert is a noun, right? If to plus noun, we must use be. To be plus noun. To be an expert. So he claimed to be an expert. Okay, can you get it? Okay, next, number 3. I managed to reach the top of the hill. I managed to reach the top of the hill. Look this example, number 3. I manage is become verb. Verb plus to infinitive. To reach. So manage plus infinitive. Later you can check the verb that Miss Martha has given before. The previous slide, Miss Martha has attached some of the verb that followed by infinitive. So claim followed by infinitive, manage followed by infinitive. So manage plus to, manage to reach. Okay, number 4. Number 4, would like in your book in page, on the page 11, would you like join to swim? So join plus to, join to swim. Would you like to join? Would you like? Okay, I want. If in your book there is a verb want, how to make the English, the correct English by using want? So want must be followed by to infinitive. To, I want to see my grandma. You cannot say I want seeing. You just say I want to see my grandma in our village. So want must be followed by to infinitive. To infinitive. Okay? Can you get it? Okay. Next, we will study about verbing. Verb plus ing. This is different from we have studied before about past continuous, present continuous, and or past continuous, right? Continuous also use ing, and gerund also use ing. But this one different from the others. We will study about this. So Miss Martha has given the list of the verb that followed by ing. Deny, dislike, enjoy, fancy, feel like, can stand, consider, feel like, hate, love, finish, give up, imagine, involve, keep on, mind, miss, practice, put off, and risk. So this verb should be followed by ing. For example, look, let's check our examples. Number one. Okay. She says enjoy cooking. Enjoy is a verb, right? Enjoy cooking. So cooking here is verb ing, but cooking here will be a noun. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy plus verb ing. So enjoy is a verb plus verb ing. This is gerund, yeah. So cooking here will be a noun. Okay, friends. Next, number 2. I haven't finished eating yet. I haven't finished eating yet. So finish is a verb followed by verb ing. Eating. So you cannot say I finished to eat. So you must say I finished eating. That is a correct grammar. Okay. Number 3. She keeps changing her mind about the wedding. She keeps changing her mind about the wedding. So verb keep must be followed by verb ing. You cannot say she keeps to change. No. The correct grammar is she keeps changing her mind about the wedding. Okay, next. Okay, friends. So here, Miss Martha will explain the verb that can be followed by infinitive or ing. The verb that can be followed by to infinitive or ing. What kinds of the verb, Miss? Okay, number 1 is love, hate, like, and prefer. Like, hate, love, and prefer. For example, Miss Martha gives the example first, okay? I like to swim. I like to swim. We have studied about like to and like verb in primary 4, right? I like to swim. We can say also I like swimming. I like to swim. It's same meaning with the I like swimming. Okay. Next, love. I love to come to that place. I love to come to that place. You can also say I love coming to that place. So these four verbs can be followed by to infinitive and can be followed by ing. Understand, my students? Okay. But verb plus infinitive and verb plus verb ing has a different meanings in their sentence. Okay? Next, this is the examples that Miss Martha has taught about the verb that can be followed by ing and can be followed by to infinitive. There are four verbs that we can use in ing and to infinitive. The first is like, the second is love, the third is had, and the last is what? Prefer. I prefer to eat noodles. Or you can say I prefer eating noodles. That has the same meaning. Okay, friends. After you listen for this explanation, Miss Martha hope you can do your homework page 11. Page 11. Let's do it on your textbook. English, my polls are here. And do it directly in your book, in your textbook, yeah. You just write down the answer in your textbook. But if you want to write in your English writing, it's okay. Please write properly, write clearly, so Miss Martha can read your handwriting. Because if Miss Martha cannot read, of course Miss Martha will make title. Okay, my dear students, thank you, and submit your homework on Tuesday, 4th August 2020 on Google Classroom. Thank you. Keep your spirit, keep healthy, and keep your happiness with your family. Study well, and please do all your homework and send it to the teachers on time. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I love you. Miss Martha really miss you. Say bye-bye.